Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So because of the success of my first newbie niche site month challenge, I decided to replicate it and to make the newbie niche site month 2 challenge. So in this challenge you will get, if you are subscribed to my email list, each week a list of 10 domain names that contain niche related keywords in them, so they will have a boost of traffic from Google, because Google prefers domain names with niche keywords in them. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my newsletter. I will link in this video's description. And don't forget, each week starting from now I will send out one newsletter containing 10 domain names for creating Amazon niche websites. So this is the description post which I just created a couple of minutes ago, and the goal is to achieve small wins so that you can gain the knowledge and confidence necessary to go after the big fish. This means that acquiring these websites that I sent you will give you some small wins from which you will learn how to get domain names, how to acquire domain names, how to make research, how to create content that drives traffic and also drives income. So I see this like a process in small steps, and if you take these steps you will get higher and higher, and finally you will be financially independent with niche earnings. Okay, so this challenge also, as the previous challenge, I will send out .com, .net and .org domains, because these are the best for international affiliate traffic. And also, yeah, if you want to sign up to my subscription list, check this video's description. I have here in the description the subscription form. Also, if you want to get the whole list in one shot, you can subscribe to a membership on my website, and I have a post which is listed here. I will list it also in this video's description, and you will be able to check the whole list of domain names before I even send them out to my subscriber list, and you can fully check them and reserve whichever you wish. So much luck guys, and I hope this challenge will be fruitful for you and it will allow you to kickstart your affiliate earnings with Amazon or other affiliate websites. So yeah, go and check the links from this video's description, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar news, content and videos. I release a new video each day at 8 p.m. GMT, so also hit the bell notification to get notified each time a new video is published here. So yeah, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.